Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone in a Samsung Galaxy J5 phone. For this we need a brush with flexible bristles, either soft or medium hard. We need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, to soften the dirt for us and then so that it simply evaporates, leaving no trace behind. You can buy such a set, the whole set, brushes and everything, in a kit on Allegro or Amazon. If you can't buy one, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. Before cleaning, you need to turn off the phone. It must be completely powered off. Never clean a phone that is turned on, because you could damage it. We moisten the toothbrush with alcohol. If you don't have a diffuser, just pour a little alcohol into a container and then simply dip your toothbrush in the alcohol. And now, with a single steady motion in one direction, do about 10 repetitions and then do the same in the opposite direction, about 10 repetitions. Now move downward as well for approximately 10 repetitions, and then move back upward again. We carefully repeat this cleaning process in each and every possible direction 2 or 3 times, just to make absolutely sure the microphone is completely and thoroughly cleaned of all debris, and then the phone will be entirely ready and prepared for your use. This phone has one microphone, specifically the one underneath, so you only need to clean that one microphone and everything is ready. After the procedure, set the phone aside for 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate from the phone, and then the phone will be functional and ready for use. At that point you can turn it on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.